Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talk about the difference between online learning and physical learning. Both ways help students learn new skill and gain knowledge. Every student has different needs, so it is important to understand the advantages and disadvantages of both methods before choosing one. Every student has unique needs. In 2024, the choice between online flexibility and classroom structure is more relevant than ever. We will explore how both methods gain knowledge and help students master new skills. What is online learning? Online learning is studying through the digital landscape, offering the freedom to learn from anywhere. Students can learn by using Zoom or Google Meet interaction, access to recorded video lectures, online assignments and cloud notes, study using laptops, tablets, or mobiles. What is physical learning? Traditional learning involves attending classes in person at schools, colleges, or training institutes. Students learn by real-time direct teacher listening, immediate feedback on questions, engaging in group activities, direct use of classroom equipment. This table compares online learning and physical learning. First, online learning allows students to study from anywhere, while physical learning takes place in a classroom. Second, online learning offers a flexible schedule, but a physical learning follows fixed class timing. Another difference is internet access. Online learning requires a good internet connection, while physical classes do not need internet during lessons. Online courses usually provide recorded lectures, so students can watch them again whenever they want. In contrast, physical learning mainly depends on live teaching in a classroom. Both methods are useful. The best choice depends on the student learning style, goals, and personal situation. Advantages of online learning: saves time, eliminate daily travel and study at the time that works best for you. Replayability: watch recorded lectures again to master difficult topics. Affordability: access high-quality freelancing courses at lower costs. Advantages of physical learning: interaction, better communication with teachers and immediate clarity on doubts. Teamwork, face-to-face discussions and hand-on practical activity. Concentration, structured environment reduce distraction for better focus. Critical challenges to consider: online downsides, internet connectivity interruption, potential for household distraction, require high self-discipline, isolation from peer networks. Physical downsides: time-consuming daily commutes, higher transportation and facility costs, inflexible rigid class schedule, missing class impacts learning continuity. The power of e-learning. Students can retain up to 60% more material online compared to 8 to 10% in traditional settings. Which is better? It depends on the subject. School and labs often need physical interaction. Professional skills like freelancing thrive in the online space. Final conclusion: both methods are valuable. As a student of Mahnoor Freelancing, I find online learning essential for digital success. Learn today and forever.